Dear learners, welcome back to Management Accounting course. I am Lisna Jose, and in this video I will help you to understand the concept of financial statement analysis and its tools. In the first part of our video, we will see what is financial statement. Financial statements are the outcome of summarizing process of accounting. We know that in the accounting process, the first two steps are recording and classifying. After that, we move on to the next stage, that is summarizing process. So here it includes the collection of data according to the accounting procedures. So now you may think why it is prepared or what is the need for this financial statement. And here is the answer for that. It helps to convey an understanding about the financial aspects of a business. The term financial statements are generally refers to two statements, that is our profit and loss account, and second one is our balance sheet. It may show a position at a moment in a time, as in the case of balance sheet, or it may reveal a series of activities over a given period of time, as in the case of income statement or P&L account. Now we move on to the second part of our video, that is what is financial analysis. Suppose you may feel sick and you are going to consult a doctor. What he will do before he starts his treatment or making conclusions regarding your illness? Definitely, at least, he will check your body temperature or blood pressure, right? So just like that, financial analysis is done to diagnose the information contained in financial statement. Financial analysis or financial statement analysis, we use both this term, and also sometimes we may use financial reporting also. So anyway, this includes both analysis and interpretation. So both these terms, that is analysis and interpretation, they are interlinked and complementary to each other. That means in the analysis part, what we will do, we will simplify the financial data, and in interpretation part we will explain the meaning and significance of the data we simplified. So we can say that analysis is useless without interpretation, and interpretation without analysis is very difficult. That is why we say that it is complementary and interlinked to each other. Now we will see what are the objectives and importance of financial statement analysis. The first one is that it helps to assess the earning capacity or profitability of the concern. Second one is that it helps to assess the operational efficiency as well as the managerial efficiency of a business. It also helps in understanding or analyzing the short-term as well as long-term solvency position of a firm. Also, it helps to identify the reasons for change in profitability and financial position of a concern. Suppose if a firm is running in loss, we will identify what are the reasons causing for that loss. Or if suppose the firm is running on a profitability basis or profitable basis, definitely we will check which all are the areas that is contributing to the profitability part. Then it helps in inter-firm comparison. It helps in forecasting the future prospects of the firm. Also, it helps to assess the performance level or the progress of the firm over a period of time. It helps in decision making as well as managerial control. It acts as a guidance in the dividend action or dividend decision. And finally, it provides an important information for granting credit. Now we will see who all are the parties interested in this financial statement analysis or the result that we get from the financial statement analysis. They are investors, management, creditors, suppliers, bankers, financial institutions, employees, government, trade associations, stock exchange, economists, researchers, and our tax authorities. Now we will see what all are the methods or devices that can be used or being used in the case of financial analysis or financial statement analysis. They are comparative statement, trend analysis, common size statement, fund flow analysis, cash flow analysis, ratio analysis, and finally cost volume profit analysis. In the next video, we will start our discussion on this ratio analysis part. So till then, take care, stay tuned and keep learning. Thank you.